Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to do a butterfly wing, which is inspired by Taylor Swift's debut album. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail, as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of Fantasy Enchantment and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. You want to paint 3 sections of your nail using Fantasy Wishing Well, Fantasy Hallucination, and Fantasy Enchantment. Using the round end of your jewel head magnet, push the glitter around until you're happy with it. Cure for 10 seconds. You want to cure each Fantasy gel polish color before you start onto the next one. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint a thin border around your nail. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint petal-like shapes starting from the bottom of your nail to the center, making each petal longer than the other. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint smaller petal-like shapes, starting from the top of your nail towards the center. Cure for 10 seconds. Fill in the gaps of your butterfly wing, making sure to keep the lines thin. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Whiteout and your dotting tool, paint some dots onto the thicker parts of your black outline of the butterfly wing. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.